Hello everyone. Today I will let you know about how to count the numbers from 0 to billions in Lao language. And if you love my videos, please click like and subscribe my channel for more videos. For now, let's learn together. 0 0 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 11 11 12 12 13 13 14 14 15 15 16 16 17 17 18 18 19 19 20 20 21 21 22 22 23 23 24 24 25 25 30 30 40 40 50 50 100 100 101 101 102 102 200 200 500 500 1000 1000 5000 5000 10,000 10,000 100,000 100,000 500,000 500,000 1 million 1 ล้าน 10 million 10 ล้าน 50 million 50 ล้าน 100 million 100 ล้าน 500 million 500 ล้าน 1 billion 1 ตื้อ and those are counting the numbers in Lao language from 0 to 1 billion. I hope that my video is useful for you. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe my channel for more video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.